What charging devices do you carry on the way to work or journey? A tangled mass of charging cables, power bank or wireless charger, and a card holder. Don't bother? All you need is to carry CablePower to meet all your above-mentioned requirements. First of all, CablePower has a built-in set of multifunctional charging cable kits integrating 6 different charging methods perfectly. It's designed to be compatible with all your modern devices from headphones, smartphones, tablets to Nintendo Switch, e-cigarettes, GoPro. The list is endless. It can even work with USB-C laptops. CablePower can meet various devices' charging needs, not only support to charge all types of electronic devices, but also support fast charge of Android and Apple devices. Moreover, the charging cables of it also support USB 2.0 fast data transfer and OTG charging functions so as to make your work and life more convenient and efficient. Each charging cable has passed bending test and high-intensity tensile test over 100,000 times to bring the best durability for everyday use. It is surprising that you can regard it as a simple storage box to store to nano SIM cards, 1 TF card and a pin ejector. As part of Power Bank, CablePower has a built-in USB-A interface supporting QC 3.0, 20-0.5 watt output, a Type-C interface supporting 18 watt PD output, and a 15 watt wireless charging panel, which can quickly charge 3 devices simultaneously. It works with any electronic devices. The 15-watt fast wireless charging pad works with all wireless devices including smartphones and Apple AirPods. Meanwhile, its unique folding charging panel design can serve as a phone stand so as to let you enjoy the joy of video and charging. CablePower supports 3 recharge methods and 18-watt input. Conveniently make it fully charged within 2 hours. With 10,000 megawatt-hour built-in battery power, that it's able to charge 3 iPhone 11 fully. In addition, you can charge other devices during charging, so you do not need to worry about electricity shortage when going out. Adopting an ultra-hard PC shell and a surface made of matte, CablePower takes the comfortable hand feeling as well as the fine heat dissipation into account, characterizing anti-corrosion, scratch resistance and a longer service life. Coming in a pocket-sized, lightweight 270-gram, easily take it wherever you go. The design concept of CablePower is to make you more convenient to master your desired work and life, carrying less and getting more.